So here we have the Ford Tourneo on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. So the tailgate on this car is electric, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Currently, the two rear seats are folded up, as this is a 7-seat vehicle. So this is how much boot space you have as a 7-seater. Let me show you what it's like with these two rear seats folded down. As you can see, you get loads of extra space when you fold these rear two seats down. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, you can see the total miles for the car. You can also see there's a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have a trip computer, vehicle settings. We then have a phone, audio, driver assist menu, and then back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using to go through that are just here. We have stereo and phone controls on the right hand side, and then cruise control and speed limiter down here on the left hand side. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can access your radio, music in general from here. There are a few ways of listening to it. So AM, FM and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. We can come back out of that. This car also has
search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
The ability to pair up your phone. So once you've done that, you can make and receive phone calls, as well as using the Bluetooth audio feature to stream your music. With the main volume for the stereo just here, some storage, and then dual zone climate control. If I move the gear lever out the way, you'll see on the left hand side, we can adjust the passenger temperature, we can adjust the driver temperature, we can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. This button will turn your air conditioning off in this case, back on again. Or hit auto, the car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that whenever you wish to. We can put the car in eco mode, we can turn off the traction control, and this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and then two USB inputs. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof on this car. There's a button up here that will open up the sun blind, and as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.